Ecobean Limited is a Chilean coffee company that produces organic and compostable coffee capsules. After a successful local launch, it's planned to expand into the South America market. The management team needs a financial and marketing report summarizing the company's current financial situation and proposing a marketing strategy for international growth. I believe the best option to start exporting our coffee to South America is Argentina. Due to its geographical proximity, we won't invest as much in transportation and it has a similar tire market. We could use similar advertising and marketing material in both countries.